Do you want to know what is poke in Facebook? Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video, I will show you what is poke in Facebook, why poke someone, and what happens when you poke on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. In Facebook, poke is a feature that allows you to interact with others in a lighthearted and playful manner. When you poke someone on Facebook, it sends them a notification, indicating that you have poked them. What does poke mean on Facebook? The exact purpose and meaning of poking someone on Facebook can vary depending on the context and the individuals involved. A poke is a virtual gesture or action that one Facebook user can send to another. It's a way of getting someone's attention or simply acknowledging their presence. Why poke someone on Facebook? Poking someone on Facebook can be different purposes. It might be used as a friendly gesture to say hello, flirtatiously to express interest, or playfully to engage in a digital interaction. Some users also use it as a form of inside joke or to break the ice with someone they haven't communicated with in a while. What happens when you poke someone on Facebook? When you poke someone on Facebook, they receive a notification informing them that they've been poked by you. They can then choose to poke you back, ignore the poke, or message you to initiate a conversation. Poking doesn't have any significant functionality beyond sending the notification and providing an opportunity for interaction. It's more of a social gesture than a functional feature. Overall, a poke is a lighthearted way to connect with someone on Facebook, but it's important to use it thoughtfully and consider the context of your relationship with the other person. Hope you understand what does poke means on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.